This is the NUMANU Collapsible Stool, and the brand sent me a free one so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how easy it is to set up and collapse back down to size. Now you simply just remove it from its case. You're going to grab here and here and pull out like so. You can adjust it to the desired height that you want. There, you lock it into place. There you go. You got yourself a stool. Now the carrying case is going to become the cushion. So you simply place it on top. There you go. You got a nice little cushion up here. You simply attach the cup holder like so. Oh, perfect for projects around the house, gardening, or camping. Now once you're done, you simply just remove the cushion, put your hands like so, and give it a twist in the opposite direction. There you go. Collapses down. You can put it back in the case. They even give you this carrying strap here so you can transport it anywhere, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a collapsible stool.